every mother needs a relationship with the Lord. The way na ma-impact ni mo yung children, the way nga mahimo kang godly mother, the way na mahimo kang good mother, is you need to have a relationship with the Lord. This is very true kaayo ni nga a virtuous woman is a homemaker. Mothers are what makes a house a home. Amen. Ako no, I believe daghan kay mga anak pud na inani. Labi nag ako pag mauli ko gikagbalay, ang pinakauna gyud akong istorya, asa si mama? Asa si mama? Ina na gyud akong ingon. Pero wala gyud kay kailangan sa iya. I just need to know kung asa lang siya. And I believe gadaghag mga anak pud na inana na pag unang uli ang ingon, asa si mama? Asa na kato si mama? Because it is the mother that makes a house a home. No one knows you better than your mother. And sometimes we look for gifts in this world. But one of the Lord's greatest gift to us is the gift of our parents. The gift of our mothers. Akong mama, kaila kaayo siya sa ako Kabalo siya kung dili ko okay. Kabalo siya kung na ako'y mga gikaagian sa akong life. And proud ko, kamuingon ko na my bestest friend in my life is my mom. And many of us, we need to start appreciating youth. You need to start appreciating your mother. You need to start appreciating your family. You need to start nga maging close ka sa ila. Why? It is not cool nga pagpatanon ka, kaaway ni mo imong mama. Dili cool nga porket batanon ka, awayon ni mo imong pamilya. Willing sila mag-sacrifice pa para lang ma-okay ta. Willing sila mag-sacrifice og pain. Willing sila mag-sacrifice og hurt para ma-okay ta. I remember, katong time nga, nagkasakit ko. Katong time nga, lala ang akong sakit, the one I testimonied about my Kawasaki disease. Ako, mama, sige, Diyos, ang balik-balik na lang, balag ako na lang ang naisakit, ako na lang ang dili okay, basta ma-okay ka. This is what motherhood is about, and this is what the love of Jesus is about. Sacrifice. You're willing to sacrifice yourself. After all, greater love is none like this, to lay down one's life for one's friends.